Don't you ever wish you were someone else? Hello guys, welcome sa ating video tutorial, and for today's video ituturo ko yung kantang Stay the Same by Joey McIntyre. So shoutout nga pala kay Kuya Reggie Buwan, siya po yung nag-request ng song na to. Shoutout sa iyo Kuya Reggie, maraming salamat po sa support, no? So sa intro guys, ang mga gagamitin natin na chords ay B minor. So ganyan yung B minor, no? So nakabar siya, second, tas fourth and third string naman ito. Yan. So kung nahihirapan kayo guys sa ganitong B minor, may shortcut tayo yung ganito. So second string, tapos third string ito, tas ito naman ay sa fifth string. Yan. So open to guys ha, yung first string at saka ito. Okay? Ano ba to? Fourth string. Yan. Tapos next chord natin ay A, sus2. So tawagin na natin siya A ha. Dito siya sa may fourth string. Ito naman ay sa third string. Yan. Tapos D. So dito siya sa may third string, first. Ito naman ay second. First. Second nga. Gulo ko Tapos B minor. So D yan Ayan. Tapos B minor ulit. Tapos E. So, iyan dito sa may third string, fifth, and fourth string naman to. Yan. Tapos, balik tayo ng A. Okay? So, yan yung mga chords natin para sa intro, no? So, paano naman guys yung strumming pattern natin para sa buong kanta na? So, dalawa yung gagawin natin ha. So, mapapansin nyo guys, may naka-bracket dyan. So, pag naka-bracket, ganito yung strumming natin. Down, 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 up. So, parang down, 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 up. Yan. Bali, ganun yung strumming natin sa bawat chord, no? So, basta naka-bracket, ganun. Down, 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 up. Tapos, next chord ay A. So, down, 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 up. Okay? So, down, 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 up. Tapos, lipat. Down, 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 up. Ganun yung lipatan niya, no? So, kung lalagyan natin siya ng, yung parang sa intro niya, no? So, ganun yung lipatan niya, ha? 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So, 2 counts lang guys pag naka-bracket. So, pag hindi naka-bracket ay 4 counts. Sa D, hindi siya naka-bracket. Ganito yung strumming natin dyan. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, ganun, ha? Ulitin ko, ha? Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So, ulitin natin, ha? Down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. Tapos, ulit. Okay, pag nakuha nyo yan guys, yung mga strumming na yan, ay makukuha nyo na yung buong kanta, no? So, sa chorus naman tayo, no? So, sa chorus, mga chords natin ay A. Tapos, F sharp. Di ba naka-A kayo guys? So, F sharp yung gagawin natin para mas madali. Ipitin lang natin tong second fret 6 string. Ayan. Tapos, open tong second tsaka first, ha? Ayan. Tapos, ay D. Tapos, B minor tsaka E. So, naka-bracket yan ha guys ha, yung B minor tsaka E. So, sa unang line guys, 2 times natin yan ulitin. Tapos, doon sa second line ay B minor. Tapos, A. So, naka-bracket ulit yan. Tapos, yung D. Ayan, di siya naka-bracket, no? Tapos, sa third line, naka-bracket ulit. B minor, tapos E. Tapos, yung A, hindi ulit siya naka-bracket. Okay? So, practicein nyo guys ha, yung strumming pattern natin na gano'n. So, sample lang natin guys yung chorus. Lagyan natin siya ng kanta, ha? So, don't you ever wish you were someone else? You meant to be the way you were exactly. Don't you ever say you don't mind the way you are when you learn to love yourself. Better right fall, and I hope you stay the same. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, up. Yan, so ganun yung mga strama natin tsaka sa mga chords natin para sa mga chorus, no? Tapos after nyan guys ay verse 1 na. So verse 1 guys, sa mga chords natin ay A, tapos F sharp minor, tapos D. Tapos yung susunod na chord ay naka-bracket, B minor, tsaka E. Okay? So 2 times yan ulitin, tapos nyan ay yung second chorus na. Ha? So, I think that you could be F sharp, wanted to be D. If you could realize that down, 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 don't you be afraid if you got something to say. D, just open up your heart and let B minor, E. Ay, so, down, 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 up lang pala yung ganun, no? Just open up your heart and let me show you the way. Yan. So, after nun ay papasok na yun ng chorus ulit. Sa second chorus, guys, same na same lang yan noong first chorus natin, ha? So, samplean na rin natin yan. Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you were exactly. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself, you're better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same, 'cause there's nothing about you I would change. Pala. Yan. So, after nyan ay pupunta na tayo ng bridge. No? So, sa bridge, guys, chords natin ay C. So, tataas yan, guys. Yung tono nyan, magiging C na siya. No? So, dito sa may second, fourth, and fifth string naman ito. Tapos G. So, first, second, fifth, and sixth string. Tapos ay F. Yan. So, naka-bar chord ulit siya. Dito siya sa may first string, third, fifth, and fourth naman ito. Yan. So, kung nahihirapan kayo guys dito sa bar chord, ay meron tayong shortcut na F major 7. No? So, ipitin nyo to guys ha, yung dalawa. Kung kaya-kaya naman yan. So, ganyan. So, kung hindi naman guys, ay pwede nyo na lang ng ganito. Yung parang silang. So, dito sa may second, third, and fourth string naman ito. Yan. Tapos G ulit. No? Tapos C. Second line natin ha. C. Tapos G. Tapos magkakaroon siya ng A sharp. So, yung A sharp ganyan, no? Parang naka-A kayo dito. So, dito siya sa may third, fourth, third, to second naman ito. Tapos nakaganyan. Okay? So, kung nahihirapan kayo guys sa ganyan, or yung ganon, so, pwede yung ganito na lang yung shortcut natin. So, first, third, to second naman ito. Yan. So, practicein nyo guys ha, yung ganyan ha. Yan. Tapos ay G. Ulit. Dalawang G yan guys. Okay? So, 4 counts yan lahat ng mga chords dyan sa bridge. No? So, tarang yan siya. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So, strumming pattern, ganoon ha yung buo. Down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down. So, walang naka-bracket yan guys, kaya bubuin natin yung strumming pattern. Ha? So, sample na natin siya. Believe in yourself, reach down inside. The love you'll find will set you free. Believe in yourself, you will come alive. Tapos A sharp. The one we're afraid to do is true. Whoa, whoa. Yan. So, after nyan ay yung third chorus na, no? So, third chorus, guys, mag-iiba yung mga chords natin. So, tataas pa siya, okay? So, magiging D. So, tataas pa yung tono niya, no? So, D. Tapos, B minor. Tapos, G. Tapos, yung naka-bracket na susunod, E minor, tsaka A. So, 2 times yan, guys. Tapos, sa second line natin ay E minor, tsaka D. Naka-bracket ulit ha. Tapos, G. Hindi naka-bracket yung G, okay? Tapos, E minor, tapos A. Tapos D. Okay? Tapos na yung kanta niyan. Okay? So, sample na natin siya guys ha. Don't you ever wish you were someone else? You were meant to be the way you was. Don't you ever say you don't like the way you are. When you learn to love yourself better off by far. And I hope you always stay the same. Up. Na, 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 na. Down, up. Yan. So, ganun lang yung ating mga chords sa buong kanta, ha? So, hanggang dito na ating video tutorial. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.